morning, guys. It is June 19th, 2020. This one here, I gotta go do an outside faucet for a lady. That's all brass going out there. I'm probably gonna have to shut it off here. We'll cut it here with a grinder. We could pull it out, put a piece of copper in there with a male adapter probably. Oh, that's something. That's an old unit. Let's see if the valve even holds. When in doubt, cut it out. Well, that's an old unit. Might be a good valve. An old gate valve. No, an old globe valve. See if it holds. If not, I could always cut it here. Put a compression valve or something on it. It's a three-family home. Might be good enough for this neighborhood. Oh, that's an old beast, huh? Yeehaw. Well, hello there, Miss Molly. Well, hello there, Miss Molly. What is it? Now we'll cut it out. See if it comes out. It should come out. When in doubt, cut it out. Cut it off there, put a new valve. That's all. Just cut it off, put a new valve. I'm gonna put a new valve there. I'm gonna put a new valve in it. I got the water off to the house. I'm gonna put a new valve in it quick. It's a three-family home, so we don't want to have the water off for long. So we'll just give it the old quick, how you doing, Mama? Turn the water back on. That's what my intent is anyway. I'd have to hit that with a grinder. Alright, changed it quick. Give it a quickie. Like I said, we don't want to leave it off for long because it's a three-family home. Alright, it's back on. Alright, Alright, so that's what was in there. We took that out because I couldn't get this piece out of here for some reason. I don't know why, but we just took it out, put a new ball valve on there, and we're going to solder this up. And then we'll stick it in, and we'll get a measurement how much we're going to cut off, and we'll solder it up and be fine. Got a chirping alarm going off here. Needs a battery. Give it the old style. We'll give it the old style. Old style valve. Nothing wrong with these. Because I have to drill that sill out and be a real pain in the butt to drill it. So let's just do this. Keep it simple, stupid. You ever hear that saying? Keep it simple, stupid. Simple. You just have to put it in there, we'll take a measurement, we'll make a cut. Cut some off it. And a couple of screws in there, just have to solder the inside. I got it open for now. It's open outside still. Turn it packing out, but it'll be good. We'll turn it on inside and it should be fine. Packing up there, so all you gotta do is shut that off in the winter and open it outside. Should be fine. We'll leave that for the birds. It's done. Well, hello there. Well, hello there, Miss Molly. How's my friend?